YouTube. We're out here again, out in the middle of the desert, on a mission. The freaking tickets I got on my head, the man's got me down. And thanks to everybody who's helped me so far. People are helping. I got some shirts to get out to help people. I don't know if you want me mentioning your name in this video, so I won't. If you do, let me know and I'll mention it in the next video. But let me turn my lights on. Lights are on. Even in the daytime, you're supposed to drive with your lights on out here in the desert, middle of nowhere. So you can see in the video, you'll see people with the lights on. Let me refresh this screen here because we've got some rain. So yeah, we're gonna go to the little spot, the little secret spot. We got a dip. Got some Coke. This stuff's like $2.55 trial pack. So we're gonna get country with it while we're driving. I'm driving with my knee. Driving with my knee. I'm in the middle of nowhere though. I don't even put. Actually, that's all I put in. This stuff's so strong. It's crazy. I don't know, I'm gonna try to get me some land out in the middle of nowhere, some land that nobody's gonna really, Thing is, there's a ton of land out here in Nevada. A bunch of it's locked up by the BLM, or managed by the BLM, and they're slowly taking the land away that they're managing. The land that's supposed to be ours that they're just managing, they're the middleman in the middle. They're slowly taking it away and selling it to private interests, whether it be overseas or whatever. They're taking away all this land that's ours. It's already been that way, locked up for a while, but they've allowed us to use it. They haven't even allowed us to use it all. But, the Nazis, when they were in the beginning, they still let people do some shit, Look at them mountains. I gotta put the homies Nevada. Or even the other jam. What is that? That's